Guys, this lady you see here, this is my girlfriend. Manze, huyu dem tumedate na yeye for 5 good years. Tumekapitia campus, tumesoma pamoja. Sisi ni fresh graduates. And this lady got a first class. She has never ever, I repeat, she has never ever cheated on me. Actually, if we are to break up, I will be her first ex. You understand? Venye ako fiti hivyo, huyu dem ni keki. Mjaluo. But ni mtu anakuanga amejiheshimu. Hadi to some extent, I was like, God. So, nice ladies exist. Actually, people waste good things because they think like there are always better things for them. No. People don't just date by chance unless wewe mlipatana tu juu ya sherehe. But this lady, I got her in a very funny situation, and we've been there for each other for the longest time. I'm always proud of her. We're just hoping that God will get her job, but tuna hustle, okay? A very nice girl. One day mtaona sura yake. Aya.